baby. I'll help you. He's like, I can smell it. It's like, Holy, what'd you get me? Oh, that tape's good. Sorry, buddy. What do you want?
Get it, Podgy.
What are you getting? What is it? Show me.
Is he right in his treat bag?
Show me. He's trying to get one of the big bones. Oh.
That's what
What did you pick?